Hello, I'm Alex, and today I'll be showing you how easy it is to install a height-adjustable shower rail. It sounds complicated, but it isn't. The packaging includes all the parts you need to install the product. We don't need the mounting plates today. It always helps to take a look at the enclosed installation manual. But you can watch the installation video instead. To attach your new shower rail to the wall, you need a spirit level, a pen, a screwdriver, a folding ruler, an 8mm drill, and a roll of adhesive tape. Let's get started. Before continuing, you should cover your shower floor to protect it from getting damaged. First, attach the top shower rail holder. To do so, mask the drill point with tape and drill an 8mm hole. Then stick a wall plug in the wall. Before screwing the plastic holder onto the wall, ensure that the arrow is pointing down. Insert the screw and tighten. Now audibly click the shower rail into position on this holder and push it from the bottom through the wall holder. The distance between the holders can be varied between 47 and 62 centimetres. Now vertically fine-tune the shower rail's height with a spirit level. Mark the second drill hole. To protect the tiles, a piece of tape can be used here too. Drill and insert the wall plug. Now slide the chrome cover over the shower rail. Then push the shower bracket over the rail. Make sure that the larger of the two openings for the hand shower is facing upwards. Finally, insert the second chrome cover with the arrow pointing up. The shower rail can now be mounted. Simply push the rail into the top holder and affix it with the second screw. Click in the covers. Perfect! To wrap things up, you can now mount the shower tray. Done! That was easy, wasn't it?